So hey guys, I am Kiran Kumar Roy and welcome back to another mysterious video. So guys, today I'm gonna talk about one of the most mysterious as well as haunted place of Uttar Pradesh called GP Block, which is situated in Meerut. Basically, Meerut is also a well-known city of Uttar Pradesh, India, and is currently a part of National Capital Region. People used to say that the GP Block of Meerut is very haunted. Ghosts used to roam around there. There are two palaces which are said to be the most haunted part of GP Block. So, what is the reason behind the mystery of GP Block? Let's find out. So, guys, before starting, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel, hit that bell icon, and comment below. So, let's get started. So, guys, we all know that a place is said to be haunted whenever there is a story behind it. So, so you are right, guys. There are also some stories related to GP Block in Meerut. So let's talk about the stories first. So basically, guys, there are two stories. So let's talk about the first story. The first story states that people have seen a woman wearing all red entering the palace, exiting the palace, and they have also seen the woman sitting at the rooftop of the palace. But a strange thing is that in that same palace there lives six caretakers in the house. Yes, there are six housekeeper or house caretaker in the house. So now let's talk about the second story. The second story is that once a online blogger think to discover the mystery of GP Block in Meerut and reach the location at 8 p.m. Park his bike to the nearest pawn shop and enter the palace. Enter the palace. After spending some time, he saw 2 to 3 teenager boys were talking and leaving the place. So the vlogger called them. However, the boys did not react to him and went away. The vlogger got little bit confused as well as scared and left the place. At the next day, when he again came to the same shop of pan and told the whole incident to the shopkeeper what happened with him the last night, the shopkeeper started to laugh at him and said that there is no such thing as ghost in the GP Block Meerut. Basically, it is a place where people as well as teenagers used to come for smoking and drinking because nobody can see them and report it to their parents. And also there is no such claim that ghosts have tried to attack human beings. As I stated earlier that in that palace there live six caretakers. So how is it possible that ghosts have never tried to attack them or they have never experienced such haunted activities? So what does it mean? This means that the people who say the place is very mysterious as well as haunted, they are all man-made stories. That is not true. Basically the place is very abandoned and at night people used to come for drinking and smoking. That's why the place is very abandoned, not because of ghost. So people who says that the place is very mysterious as well as haunted, they are not true. They are all man-made stories. So guys, if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel for more such mysterious video.